Good morning dear students. Today we will study exercise 9.2 in our maths. Okay. As the current scenario we are seeing that the weather is not good, but still we have to study. Na? We do not waste time because your final exam is almost on the next month we will have. So date will be remain same, it will not be shifted. So for the preparation of the exam we have to study, we have to devote time towards our studies. So today I came up with this video to tell you all about how to do exercise 9.2 in algebra, as we have already studied exercise 9.1 in our classes when the offline class is going on. So today I tell you exercise 9.2. Only few questions are there. I think only 4-5 questions are there in this exercise, and it is very simple. In this exercise we have to learn to know what is perimeter. Now first, what is perimeter of the figure? So what is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides is called perimeter. If we have 6 sides figure, if we have 7-sided figure, 10-sided figure or many more sided figure, only what we have to do, we have to add the sides and we will get the perimeter. Okay, now you will understand. Suppose, for example, let us take one example. Suppose we have suppose we will have 6-sided figure. This is 12 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is also 3 centimeter. Okay. So this is 6-sided figure, this is 6-sided. First side, second side, third side, fourth side, fifth side, and this is 6th side. So this is how many sides figure? This is 6 sides figure, and we have to find what? We have to find the perimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the perimeter, perimeter of this figure. So what I have said, what is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Perimeter means sum of all sides. So see here, perimeter equals to, what we will do? We will start adding the number of sides. We will start adding the sides. We will get the perimeter. See, we will start. Two centimeter. So we have to add all the sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have added the dimensions of all 6 sides. Okay. Now what we will do? We will add 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. So what it will be? 29 centimeter. Okay, this will be 29 centimeter. This is the way to find the perimeter. Again I am telling you, if you are not able to understand it, this example, again I am explaining you. See, we have this 6-sided figure. How many sides we have? 6 sides. Okay, and every sides have some dimensions written over there. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter. perimeter of this side. That is what we have to learn in this exercise, है ना. So simply what we have done, I have told perimeter means sum of all sides, sum of all sides. So perimeter equals to, we have started added 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 3 27, 27 plus 2 29 centimeter. This is the correct answer. I hope you all have understand this, है ना. To find the perimeter, you all understand the what is perimeter and how to find it, है ना. Now we have to apply this in algebra. We have to apply this in algebra. Now this is the question of mensuration. Now, but just to give an example, just to make you all to understand how to do this exercise, I have given this example. है ना. Now we will apply this to do questions in our exercises, है ना. Now we will do questions. Okay, see here, the first question in your exercise is, if the side of an equilateral triangle is L, which triangle? Equilateral triangle we have, है ना. Equilateral triangle, we all know what is equilateral triangle. I have explained you. Equilateral triangle means whose all sides are equal. Whose all sides are equal are called equilateral triangle. And in triangle we know there are only 3 sides, so all 3 sides are equal. Then express the perimeter of the triangle in term of L, है ना. So what it is given, first we will draw a figure of an equilateral triangle, है ना. First we will draw a figure of an equilateral triangle. Now see here, suppose this is an equilateral triangle, है ना. Which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. It is clear? An equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal. This is the sign of equality, है ना. We will show the sides are equal by this sign, है ना. Now in question what it is said? It is said that take the side as L, ना. We have to take the side as L. Suppose this is L centimeter. Okay, this is L. We will name the side triangle as ABC, है ना. And the side of the triangle is L. So we will write this, है ना. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. According to question, the side of triangle is L, है ना. Side of triangle is L, so we have to find its perimeter. So perimeter will be what? Perimeter I have told, perimeter will be sum of all sides. So how many sides we have? 1, 2 and 3. So it will be L plus L plus L. It will be 3L, है ना. It will be 3L. This is answer. This is the answer of question 1. Understand? This is answer of question number 1. It is clear? See here, again I am explaining you, the triangle is equilateral means all 3 sides should be equal, L, L and L. ठीक है ना. We have named the triangle as ABC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then according to question, side of triangle is L. So its perimeter will be L plus L plus L equals to 3L. It is clear? This is the perimeter. Very simple question this is, है ना. And the exercise is also very simple. ठीक है ना. Now see question number 3rd, है ना. See question number 3rd. I will explain these 2 questions and the remaining 2 questions you have to do by your own, है ना, in the fair copy. It is clear? Remaining 2 questions you have to do by your own in fair copy. नाउ वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ठीक है ना. द लेंथ ऑफ एन एज ऑफ अ क्यूब इज एल ना. देयर इज अ फिगर ऑल्सो गिवन है ना इन this question. You can see figure also given. The length of an edge of a cube is L. Find the formula for the sum of the length of all the edges of the cube, है ना, all the edges of the cube. ठीक ना. Okay, so we have to find the formula for the sum of the length of all edges of a cube. Okay, so see here, we will draw a cube first. ना, this is a cube, this is a figure of a cube. Cube you understand na? Cube means a chalk box. You all have seen chalk box every day in your classes. A chalk box is a cube na. Now you all understand, I think, what is cube na. So in cube what happens na, there we have to find the edges of the cube is given L. The edges of the cube is given L, है ना. How many edge we have here? The question arises, how many edge we have in the cube, है ना. So in the cube we have how many edges? We have 6 different types of edges, है ना. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 6. Understand? So we have 6 different types of edges in our cube. Now all of you read this question in your exercise. You will understand now what is cube. It is clear. You will understand. So we have to find what? We have to find the perimeter of this cube, है ना. We have to find the perimeter of this cube. Okay. So see here, है ना. So in one face we have 6 different types of edges. Total number of edge we have in cube 12. How many total edge we have? 12 L, है ना. 12 faces we have. So see here, total edges of cube equals to 12. How many total edge we have? 12 total edge na. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and this is 12 na. Understand all of you? Total 12 edge we have na. And what we have to find? We have to find the perimeter, and we know that all the edge of a cube is same, ठीक है ना. In cube all edges is same. This is called edge. This is not in cube. This is na. Don't we call it as side? What we call it as edge. Okay, this is called as edge na. So all edge remains same in cube. It is almost equal to the square figure. Square is 2D figure and cube is 3D figure. Only this is the difference. In square also all sides are same, and here in cube as it is 3D figure, its sides is called as edge and all edges remains same. So here we have 12 edge. Total edge of cube is 12. ठीक ना. So we have to find perimeter. Perimeter equals to what? 12L. Understand? It is clear? 12L. It will be 12L. How we will get the 12L? We have to add all edge 12 times. So we will get the 12L. Na? We have to add. See, the cube number of edge is 12 and the dimension of one edge is given L in the question. So it will be 12L. This is the answer. It is clear? This is the answer. This is the question. This is question number 3 of your exercise. I hope you all have understand na, the basic concept of this exercise. The basic concept of this exercise is just to make you how to know what is perimeter and how to find the perimeter na. So perimeter is the sum of all sides. To find perimeter we do not have to do anything, just we have to add all the sides, we will get the perimeter. There are only 4 questions in this exercise. I have explained 2 questions, na. Rest 2 questions you have to do by your own and complete it in your fair copy na. Is it clear? Okay then, bye bye, good, take care na, have a good day and complete the work soon. And if you have any problem, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.